Hi kids, welcome to our channel Kids EduWorld TV once again. Today we are going to practice letter H with the help of standing line and sleeping line. So let us begin tracing the letter. Let us take the color orange. We are drawing a standing line. Once again a standing line and then a sleeping line. H. H. The phonic sound is H. Hat. Let us practice the letter once again. We are drawing a standing line. We have selected the color black. One more standing line and sleeping line. Hair. Her. Let us practice the letter once again with the color red. Draw a standing line. Once again, a standing line and then a sleeping line. Heart. Ha. Let us practice the letter once again. We are taking the color green. Let's draw the standing line. Once again, a standing line. Sleeping line. H. House. H. So let us practice the letter once again. We have taken the color blue. We're drawing a standing line, and a sleeping line. Hut. H. Children, I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Please follow our channel and subscribe our channel for more such videos. Tada. Bye-bye.